Find the balance in an account at the end of 5 years if 5,500 is invested with an interest rate of 6.3% that's compounded continuously. And find the value if compounded quarterly. So let's see here first. This word continuously, it's going to tell us from the formula chart. If we go to our formula chart, and again, we're on the second page down at the bottom where it says exponential function. Continuously is used here. It's the formula A PERT. So I'm going to be using this formula first. A PERT. Now on this, we say the P is the principal, the initial amount, which in this case it would be 5,500. The R is the rate, which we see is 6.3%. And the T is the time, which it says 5 years. So we can plug those into the calculator and come up with an answer. So we have 5,500. E is over here on the left. The rate is 6.3%. And we're doing this for 5 years. And I get $7,536.43 when we round this. So we'd have $7,536. And was it 43 cents? Yeah, 43 cents. This would be our amount after 5 years here. Now it says now also find the value of compounded quarterly. So now we're switching to compounded quarterly here. So if we call this part A, I'm going to call this one part B. So over here, it'll be part B. Now let's look at the formula chart. Compound is here, given by this formula. So we have that A equals principal times 1 plus the rate over the number of times per year, and the number of times per year times the years up here. So in this case, we have 5,500 going in for the P again. The rate is again 6.3%. The number of times, since it says quarterly, quarterly means 4 times per year. That's 4 times per year. I'm going to make that 4 a little more clear. 4 times per year. So N is 4 over here. And this N is 4. And this is time is 5 years again. So we can type this in the calculator. And so we'd have 5,500 times 1 plus the rate of 6.3% divided by 4 raised to the power of 4 times 5. And here's our value in this one. And this time I'm just going to go back over here and we'll just take screenshots of this and move it over when I write my answer. And so we can get that our value, if done this way, we'd have A equals $7,517.95 when I round. This would be our value if compounded quarterly. So which one's better? To have it compounded continuously.